Take 4. English phrasal verb meaning and examples. Take 4 means to consider, to regard. When you regard someone or something in a certain way, either correctly or mistakenly. You believe that someone is a certain way, though often wrongly. My mother looks young. People often take her for my sister. Yes, people think that when I am with my mother, that she is my sister because she looks very young. Of course, this is a mistake. Notice how we need the object in the middle of the phrasal verb. Take someone for. Take her for. Take him for. You can also take something for. Let's see some more examples. Everyone takes me for an angry person because of the way I dress. They don't know that I really am a nice person. Yes, people incorrectly think I am a certain way because of what I wear. Do you take me for a fool? This is like saying, do you incorrectly think I am a fool or idiot? Sorry, I took you for someone else. This is a way of saying, sorry, I mistakenly thought or believed you were someone else. My mistake. Don't take silence for anger. This means don't mistake or assume that silence means the person is angry. You may think they are angry, but maybe they are not. Who do you take me for? When someone says, who do you take me for? The person is saying, who do you think I am? Do you really think I am that type of person? You incorrectly think I am a certain way when I am not like that. You may also be interested in our lesson about the English idiom take for granted, which has a completely different meaning. I hope you found this lesson about the phrasal verb take for useful. If you did, click like and subscribe to our channel so you know when we create new lessons to help you improve your English. Have an awesome day!